Alright, let's reveal this. I'll wait for people to get in. Alright, so let's get some music going in the background. Alright, we could probably hide that. Too long. How's everyone doing? I'm just gonna whip up stream, move away from our Edestus currently. Just wait for everyone to hop in, and we'll show some stuff off. I've been working very hard on Edestus the last couple of days. Oh, well, yesterday and today. So, we have some interesting stuff to show you. Now ignore the colours because they will change. But as soon as we get more people in here, I'm ready to show you guys. How's everyone doing today? You having a good day? Let me just make sure my stream is muted on my end. Let's see the chat. Cool. Alright, so once we get a couple more people in, I will start showing it off. Dragon, are you in here? Now, we're going to be doing some animation today as well, guys. But I just want to show you what we got so far. Let's jump in. So, here's our Edestus down here. He still needs a little bit of work on his eyes and stuff and some little pieces, but the actual model is mostly done. And he has his swim animation, which we need some slight adjustment to, but it's mostly there. His sprint animation's way too fast, which is what I'm going to work on now. And obviously he kind of glides around, but again, that'll be fixed. Don't need to worry about that right now. So, what I need to do is go into his character blueprint, I think it is. And we just need to reduce the swim speed, so speed. And there should be like a movement speed thing. Where is it? Here it is. So yeah, I feel like the animation's too fast. So we'll put this at like we'll put this at like 300. No, sorry, 500. We'll lower everything by 100, so we'll do 300, 300. You ping me. Okay. Right, 200 on that, 300 on that. Now, one thing we need to adjust. Is it in the animation blueprint? Okay, movement aim rate. Okay. I can't see anything that should be an issue. Let's see if this has helped. We'll see. Let's get another Edestus in here. No, he's still flapping way too fast. I think our main solution would just be to reduce the overall animation speed. Will it be an alpha? Yeah, sure. I think so. Do you know what I think the problem is? I think another problem might be I'm using a run animation where I shouldn't be. Let's have a look. Let's set this to the walk baked. Compile that. And then on the walk, let's just reduce the walk drastically. Speed wise, let's put it at like a... Okay, let's put this at like... How do we make the animation speed up? I think it is here, so let's, if we do like 0.3. Oh yeah, that makes it slow, okay. Let's do like 0.7. Save that. Let's just test this. Obviously can't spawn one out of the ocean. That's more like it, there we go. So we need to set up all the animations now. Ignore the colors. The colors will not look like this. Alright, let's get into Blender. And let's work on the turning animations, because I think that's our next step. So, turning animations wise, all we need to do is on the walk, you just need to enable animation layers here. Then add a layer. And what we can do is on the turning layer, go into pose mode. Grab the head as well. And all we need to do... Oh, rest position's enabled, shit. There we go. So let's make this turn left. So all we need to do... Probably rotate more of the body actually. Naturally. Although do we want to give him a sharper turn radius? Maybe. You know? That's really what we got to think about, so... Do something pretty tight like that. Thanks, dude. I'm on animations already? Yeah. So, Hatchery, what I'm going to do is I'm going to knock this out. And then I'm going to start on Presto tonight. Sorry, I know I got distracted. I apologize. I will get straight onto it as soon as possible. Do you know what we could do is probably just rotate this like this a bit more as well. Put that at the beginning of here. So that in general... No, I don't like that. No, we're not going to do that. I feel like this could also rotate a bit. Get a really sharp turn, and then all we need to do is bake operators. Bake and merge, new baked layer, right? Let me do that. And what that'll do is it'll get us this. Then we can set this bake layer to swim left. Done. And then all we need to do is remove that layer for now. All of this crap, don't need it. And then with all the head stuff, this, and this, all we need to do is copy, paste flipped. And then what we do here, grab everything, let it bake out, bake it. And this will be swim right. Then what we can do is turn off animation layers. And we should have swim left and swim right. And go here, turn off these, update the action list. We got these here. This should hopefully have our swims in now. So we just turn off that and only do animations, export. Okay, so in theory, if we import these animations in now, should be in my arc modding folder in Edestus, in here, nope, not in that, in there. We should have these two. Let's drop these in. Don't want a mesh. just on the skeleton. There we go. And then we go into our animation blueprint in here. And we need to look for the Megalodon swim right. So we want swim right in there and Megalodon swim left. I just put swim right in a swim left animation. That's gonna look weird. Okay, so we should have swimming right and left animations in now. And then we just need things like bites and some eat animations, stuff like that. I might have to change some things in the future to do with our blueprint. Oh, he turns pretty harshly right. That's a bit too dramatic. Okay, we gotta fix up some of that. So, I'm wearing like one of the graphs. Where did I go wrong? Let's do this one as well. And then we need blend. Let me save that and go back into it. Turning blend time. I want this to be like 2. And then 1 like that. I don't want it to, I want it to like not turn as drastically. Hopefully that will help. If not, we'll have to adjust some animations. He still turns way too much. And his left turn doesn't even work. Yeah, not a fan of that. Okay, so... why is that so damn dramatic? Let's see. Turn these back on. Disable that. Right, let's disable all these, and I'm just gonna kind of rotate that a bit more like that. And bake that. We'll do walk right instead. And then now get rid of that. Copy and paste flipped. Bake. Walk left. And I'm going to change the animation blueprint around because I don't really like what I've got right now. So get rid of those. And then we'll get these 2 in. There we go. Walk left and walk right. I'll export those. And then we need to open up the kit again. What's a good animation blueprint I could use to copy from? I need to find out what Depth uses for animation blueprint. I'm trying to think of like a modern animation blueprint we could use for this guy. It isn't going to be really jank. Modern ocean creatures. There isn't really any, is there? What about the ichthyosaur? Is it not called animation BP? For the dolphin? Just called anim BP. Why does it use flyer code? That's so weird. That's really weird that it uses flyer code. Well, we could at least try out the new animations, right? Swim left, swim right. We'll delete these. Force delete. And then walk left and walk right. Dread those in. Put the mesh. There we go. This is kind of like a back end of what we do in the kit. You guys might have seen from some of Garuga's stuff. So for now, let's replace this with right. This is right. Left. Left. Oh wait, no, that's right. Player sync group move. It'd be better off if I did it this way. Alright, let's see. Let's see if this works. Just gotta keep testing. This doesn't seem to work at all. No. Everything seems to break on this guy pretty quick. I might need some help with people who know fish. So I'm not sure why that's not working. I can show you him up close anyway. That's what we're up to. He's looking pretty mean. Seeing if Deps might know what's going on with this guy. Helicopter runner's model reference? No, the model's done. It's more like What I need is how their animation blueprint worked. I'm not sure how to handle it because it's been a while since I've done anything like that. I can show you the Edestus in some colours if you guys want to see some. Bring a few in. Potentially, but it's less the actual problem, the animation, and more just like, oh, there we go, look. How is she moving around? It will aggro to me. Yeah, their animations are being kind of funky. God, they look horrifying. Yeah, we need to set up color sets for them. Your color set I really like. I kind of want to give them Moser color sets. What color set? Mega. Yeah, let's do Moser. Let's try that. Yeah, for sure, darker colors, I agree. That still looks really bright. Why is it so bright? Okay, I'm not a fan of the way that's set up. Let me have a think. What other color sets could we use that are quite dark? What about Tusos? Whites and greys, yeah, I agree. Manta has quite bright colors, doesn't it? I'll try Tuso. I feel like Tuso should have some dark colors, right? Yeah, all colors are gonna be dulled in the water, you're right. Oh, Tuso color sets look good. If we could just move some stuff around. I don't like the yellow. The bright yellow looks really bad. Nice. Okay, well, while we're waiting, let's work on a bite animation. So let's go to the idle. And let's just make an additive bite from the first frame in the idle. So let's remove all the frames. And the bite should only be like 30 long. And what I'm going to do is I kind of want him to like snake upwards a little bit. So I'll show you, like, I kind of want him to come like up, for the head to come down. Oh wait, no, I can't do that on the first frame, I'm an idiot. Okay, like, let's do 10 frames, no, let's do like 8 frames in. Comes like up, and this part will come like down. And then it's also going to kind of come to the right a little bit, but this part here is going to turn back to the left. So it kind of comes like up. Any plans for abilities? Yeah, a few things, but we'll talk about that soon. So I'm going to start to open his jaw as much as I want to really give him a big jaw gape. Bite's going to have a lot of character in it. So then we obviously want him to end in the same position. So this kind of gives me like, if I can put this here now, I can get an idea of like how I want the bite to go. So I want him to lunge forward about here. So his whole body is going to kind of lunge down, and this jaw is going to slam shut. What we could do is take the jaw and just offset that. And keep that until like here, right? Nah, maybe that doesn't work. Pull it back. Boom. And then what he's gonna do here is he's gonna drag this jaw back. No, not like that. We're gonna do it like here. Back. Like that. To do his little shredded, teeth shredding shit. This guy does. So his jaw affects way too much on that weight paint. Let's edit that a little bit. All we need to do is do draw, lower the weight, lower the strength, just kind of. We want to make it affect a lot less of that. There we go. Yeah, he's gonna have soaring motions, 100%, because that's kind of what he's all about. Oh, there's some weird weight paint there, I can already see it. Okay, so here it is. Let's just get this done. Just here. What is it that's affecting that? Is it that there? We can just kind of adjust that. It shouldn't be affecting it the way it is. There we go. There is a bit here that's affecting it somehow. I'm gonna put 100% onto it and just remove all the weight we can. We don't want this affecting it at all. There we go. Great. We're getting there. Ugh. So yeah, we got a couple more donators last night and really built up the thing of it, which is awesome. So I think what we need to do is actually curl the whole body up a lot more in this part here. So on the 8th frame, bring this up. Bring this down. Yeah, like that. Maybe even offset this a second. Like this, so it comes down. No, that looks wrong. It's like, boom. And then I really want him to slam into it, right? So here, his entire body is gonna come right down the head. What's going on there? Alright. I kind of want to twist him a bit as well. Let's drag that back to there. Drag that to there, and then here. I'm just gonna keep that turned sideways. So all we need to do is adjust like kind of where this jaw is here. Yeah, see, they're not lined up at all. There we go. Boom. This jaw really comes out. That looks about right. Let me just see, has anyone responded to anything yet? Alright, that's kind of what I want to go for him. Can I got some notifications? Nothing important. Wait, Ark Survival Evolved got updated? Why? Alright. So I think we just need to speed the whole animation up, honestly. I think the animation should be 20 frames. No, maybe not. What I think could actually do with happening is just grab all these, scale this down to 20, and scale that up. So it like has a big build up. Ah. There we go. It's got some real chomp to it now. Maybe bleed? Yeah, I think we're gonna have him do some bleed. Alright, I think that's good for the additive bite. So, I actually edited the idle. So what we could do with doing is just giving the tail some wiggle, just in case it has any effect on the tail at all. And his nose, we're gonna do some tracking stuff with him, I think. There we go. That gives us some movement. So that is our additive bite done. We'll export that. And we'll drag that in here. see how this goes. So, where's our edited byte? Here. So what we need to do is create an in montage right here. And then all we do, whoa, I forgot to turn off wiggle bones. Probably bake it first. Why is it not working? That's weird. Hmm. Might have to come back to this part. I don't know what's going on, guys. My wiggle bones ain't bacon. I've probably clicked something like an idiot. Why is it not working? Okay, do you know what? I'm just gonna save the file. And I'm gonna reopen it. Hey, Axeman used my mod today in a video. Fun fact. Pretty cool. Find use mono today. I haven't seen the comments. Yeah. People seem to like it. So cool. I'm really not sure why this byte isn't working. I will leave that as is for now, and we'll come back to it. He needs an eat animation, but we won't do that just yet. I'll do that in a little bit. Something's not quite right with the swim, and I'm not sure what it is. Also with the swim left and right. Oh. Shit. I figured it out. Thank you. 80. Right, what's going on with him? Okay. Okay, so now it works. And then what we need to do is duplicate that. Oh wait, no, get rid of that. Grab all this. Just flipped. And bake. Alright. Turn off layers. Unreal Engine. Refresh this. Get rid of the add byte. And get the walk left and walk right baked. We import with a new file. One walk left baked. Import a new file. Right baked. Okay, let's try this again. Hopefully now they should at least be turning in the water correctly. Okay, cool. Oh, I need to really change that blend time. What's going on there? No, I'm probably not going to do attachments for this fella. I don't think he needs it. Right, like I don't think it's necessary. There we go. That was the problem. Found it. Oh, I know. This was put down to what? 0.7. So these both need to go down to 0.7. Cool. So I'm done. Do that again, one more time. Okay, what I need to do is go in here. Inside of details, there will be a blend time. Let's do 1. No, let's do like 0.7 and 0.4. No, 0.7 as well. Try that. He seems to just swim straight. His left seems to be broken. Because left looks no different, why? Oh, we'll just drag new animations in. Fuck it. Might order a takeout tonight, guys. I'm kind of feeling one. Don't know what to get though. French kissing taming. No, for the taming, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I almost want to do like, I don't know. I gotta think. It's weird. The turning right animation's working, but the left isn't. Why is that working and the other one isn't? I don't get it. I just don't understand. Alright, well, I mean, unfortunately, it means I might have to cut the stream early to go and talk to some guys about what I could do here. I'll see if anyone's available to help. I'm gonna dip, but I might be back later on tonight, guys. I'll let you guys know what's going on. Anyway, I'll ping all the donators, so any donators in here, you'll see what's going on with him later. But hopefully seeing a bit of him has made you realize that he's not going to be too far off and get him cooked within a week or so. But yeah, thanks for hanging around, and I'll give you an update in the next few days. See you guys later. Ciao.